Hi there, this is Ranjit, and in this video we'll be doing the unboxing and have a first look at the Xiaomi Mi A2 Lite. And as you can see, it's Android One device, but sadly this model was not launched in India, though here it says on the box global version. It's available in several different countries like Dubai, etc. And in fact, the Xiaomi actually, if you recall, launched the Mi A2 regular one. This is the one that they launched with the Snapdragon 660 in India, but I feel they did a mistake by not launching this one. They should have launched this one also in India. And again, as you can see, it says it has the dual camera setup, and more importantly, this one actually has a 4000 milliamp hour battery. And let's quickly have a look at this one and see. And as you can see, it says Mi A2 Lite, and says that dual camera, 12 megapixel plus 5 and 4000 milliamp hour battery. And this one is having a 5.84 inch screen in the 19:9 aspect ratio. That means it has that notch design. We'll come back to the handset later. So here, as you can see in the box, looks like this actually comes out. So some paperwork here, user guide it says, and this will be in English. Yes, it's in English. And we also get it TPU case in black color because the unit is black. So that's what we get in the box. So let me keep these things to the side. And we also have a USB cable. This one is having a normal micro USB, not USB type C. We also have the SIM ejector tool inside here, and this looks like the power brick. And it's again Xiaomi branded, and it's a normal 5V 2 amp charger. So not a quick charger, 5V 2 amp, but that's decent enough. So that's what we get in the box. Let's keep these things back and let's have a look at the device itself. So as you can see, here is the device itself, and if you notice, it has a notch design and it has slight heft towards it because of that 4000 milliamp hour battery. And we have the fingerprint scanner here at the back and the dual camera setup. And if we go on the top, we also have IR blaster, secondary noise cancellation microphone, a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is grossly actually missing on the Mi A2. I don't know why they did it. And on this end, we have the volume rockers, power on off button. Bottom went for the speaker. Again, micro USB port, not USB type C. And the tray. Let's just look at it. It won't be hybrid because it's an Android One device. No, again, this is good actually. I'm surprised they have given a micro SD card slot and 2 nano SIM cards. So again, a very good thing. Again, they should have actually launched this one in India. And in fact, guys, this one actually comes in 2 variants internationally. One that comes with 3 GB of RAM, has 32 GB of internal storage, and the one we have has 4 GB of RAM, and this has 64 GB of internal storage. Let me do one thing, guys. Let me actually boot this up. And by the time it actually boots up and I set it up, let me give you a configuration overview. This Mi A2 Lite is having a 5.84 inch Full HD Plus screen in the 19:9 aspect ratio. It's powered with the Snapdragon 625 chipset, which is an octa-core processor. It comes with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage. Moving to the camera, it has a dual rear-facing camera. The main camera is a 12 megapixel with f2.2 lens, and the secondary camera is a 5 megapixel again at f2.2. The front-facing camera is a 5 megapixel at f2.0. It has a 4000 milliamp hour battery, and it also has a fingerprint scanner. So guys, as you can see, I have just finished setting up this device, and as you can see, the biggest thing is that you see that notch design with this one, and in fact it feels premium. And again, as it's an Android One device, almost stock Android experience that you're getting, not a lot of bloatware or anything apart from some basic Xiaomi apps like this feedback and stuff. Again, all Google apps are pre-installed, so this is what you get. Again, due to this, again, the Android update should be a lot quicker on this device compared to other Xiaomi device. Again, quick toggles over here, and if we go over here and let's look at the Android version that we are getting on this one. If we go to system and if we go to system update, as you can see, it's already running on the Android version 8.1. So that's what you are getting with this one. So that's the beauty of Android One device, and this will also get quickly the Android Pie update. So let's just go back, and regarding the storage, let's look at it. Out of that 64 GB, as you can see, 52.94 gigabytes is what is free. So just about 11 odd GB is sort of use. Again, I was not expecting a dedicated micro SD card slot, so storage should not be an issue. Again, it has all the sensors and stuff. As you can see, adaptive brightness, that means auto brightness sensor is there. I've just enabled it. This, you can switch it on and off, and other options are over here. Again, stock Android that you expect, apart from this Me Service tab that you have. And again, let's look at the fingerprint scanner here. It's at the back, and as you can see, it is actually quick. So no issues regarding the fingerprint scanner. Again, we have that notch design on this one. I know many people prefer the notch design. It's a divided thing. So yeah, I feel Xiaomi should have launched this device in India for people who are looking at notch. Internationally, this one, if we convert it to local Indian pricing, is around 11,500 or so. So let's also quickly look at the camera on this one. It's a 12+5 that we are getting on this. And this is the Xiaomi camera app that we are getting. So that's not stock Android, and tap to focus is quick. And we also have, let me increase the brightness. For some reason, even on this one, with the camera app, the brightness is going. Video mode, portrait mode we have. So portrait mode is also there for background blur and all this. And let's just get out of that. So let me do one thing, guys. Let me actually shoot some sample shots with this device so that you can have a very quick idea. So these are some of the sample shots that I have shot with this Mi A2 Lite in artificial lighting conditions around my office. The camera, yes, it looks decent, but again, not spectacular, but again, can't complain considering the price point of this device. So this is the Mi A2, and I frankly feel Xiaomi should have launched this one. Instead of that, they launched the Redmi Y2. This is the Redmi Y2. Remember that phone? And again, this is again, I think so, this sort of flopped in India. This is just having a 720p HD screen. Yes, the screen size is bigger, but this looks way more modern. Yeah, the Y2 has a better front-facing camera. This has just a 5-megapixel shooter. But frankly speaking, instead of the Redmi Y2, they should have launched the Mi A2 Lite, in my frank opinion. But they have just launched the Mi A2 regular variant. This one is priced at 17,000 in India. So anyways, guys, that's it for now for the unboxing and first look at this Mi A2 Lite. What do you guys think about this device? And do you think it was a wrong move by Xiaomi not to launch this device in India? I would love to know your thoughts. In fact, I'll just run a poll. So vote there and let me know what your thoughts about the same. Anyway, guys, if you are still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. This is Ranjit, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care, guys.